everyone. I hope you're doing well. I am so excited. I get to bring the November craft box to you all today. If you aren't familiar with our craft box, it is a monthly release that we do. There's a selection of products from dyes to surfaces, making essentials that we release each month in little cute boxes like this. Right here, it comes to your door. It feels like a little gift, a little warm hug for you. And we do this every month, and they're great savings. You get a little treat, a little taste, we'll say, of a little bit of something that's coming out, or maybe something that's exclusive to the box, some new products that we have so you can test them out. They're so fun to do, and I'm really excited about November's craft box. It's a very festive collection, we'll say, and I'm going to go through all the things you're going to get in the box, and I'm also going to show you some projects we made using all the items in the box. But you can go to Sizzix.com or Sizzix.co.uk and order them there, and they will be shipped out to you shortly after that. So I'm going to get right into it because I know you want to see what's coming in the box. I was really excited. So we're first going to go into what surfaces you're going to get. Now, if you aren't familiar with our color story, you know that we have 20 core colors of cardstock in a pack, but we recently came out with the Festive card collection. So I'm going to go through the colors right here because I love their little names. So this is Hollyberry, Crimson, Pink Fizz, this is Mistletoe Green, Peppermint, Fir Tree, Sage, White, Black, and Pine Cone. How cute are those names? They're super festive. What I love about this range of cardstock is that you're gonna get one of each of these colors, and they're really nice, durable cardstock weights. And you have these really bright kind of festive tones mixed in with your traditional colors right here. And then you get a few neutrals to kind of round it out. But in addition to those, you're also gonna get 6 of the Festive Opulent cardstocks. Now, these are the same in that they're the same kind of tonal patterns, which makes nice contrast. So this one right here is the Hollyberry, which is a nice glitter cardstock that you're gonna get. And then this one is, they're both Hollyberry. This one's Hollyberry as well, but this one's a really nice shimmer cardstock, which I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna do that so you hopefully get that shimmer effect. This right here is the Mistletoe Green. This one's a nice pearlized as well. This one is the Fir Tree glitter cardstock. This is really pretty. I actually used this on a few of the projects. This one's such a beautiful white glitter cardstock. It's a little bit more iridescent than the one that's in our Ivory Opulent cardstock pack. So this one's a little bit more vibrant, which it looks a lot like snow. So I thought that's perfect for the festive range. And then we've got a nice pearlized white right here. So it adds a little sophistication to round out your opulent cardstock. You're also gonna get 5 sheets of white heavy-duty cardstock. So these are perfect for your card bases, cutting out your die cut shapes. They just add they give you a great ability to like already have your card bases ready to go, cutting panels to put your really bright festive pieces on so they stand out. Just a great option for you when you are putting your cards together. The next thing you're gonna get is for an adhesive, you're gonna get 10 of our Sizzix adhesive sheets. So these are permanent adhesive, and because of the die sets that are releasing in this craft box, they're very small, intricate, layered pieces, but you want your Sizzix your Sizzix adhesive sheets because they basically turn anything into a sticker. So you're not having to worry about gluing down those small little pieces, because if you place your cardstock on top of these and then cut your dies out from it, all you have to do is peel away the backing and then you just stick your lovely little die cuts down. You're also gonna get these fun tree domes. So this is a 6-pack you're gonna get. These are about like 2 by 3.5 inches. And you're also gonna get some of the festive sequins and beads. So this one right here, you're gonna get the white snowflakes, which I'm gonna open these up so you can see them because they're really beautiful. I'm gonna put them in my hand so you can see. There's nice little dots and snowflakes in this one that you can get. And then you're also gonna get this one right here, which I love this one. Look at those cute little Christmas trees. This one is called Fir Tree, so you're gonna get those sequins right there. And then the last one you're gonna get is the holly berry beads. So these are some nice little micro beads that you can add into your shaker domes right here. I'll put those down to the side. So you're gonna get 2 die sets in the range, or in the craft box, I should say. The first one right here is the Festive Set. So as you can see, you're gonna get 2 sentiments. This one is Joy and Noel, which Debbie told me to flip it over so you can see them the right way. But you're gonna get these 2 nice ones, which with the adhesive sheets, these are the perfect way to put down these more intricate sentiments. You're also gonna get a tree, a little gift box, and some Christmas bows, some holly leaves, a snowflake, a really beautiful little ornament, which I've got these little cutouts, but this is what I wanted to show you, is I've put adhesive sheets on the back of all these, and all you have to do is peel it away, and then I would just stick that down, it's ready to go. So you're gonna get a little stocking, stars, these little baubles for your holly right there. You're also gonna get, and this is really important because this one matches with the tree domes you're gonna get. So this is the retro tree die set, and it's kind of little funky shapes, really retro kind of baubles and ornaments. These are the gifts right here. You're also gonna get these really cool star patterns, and this one, which is supposed to be like a hanging star, but also if you flip it around, could be a wand. And then you get these little shapes which go on the ornaments, which I'm gonna show you in just a minute. But when this die cuts out, your tree fits into it, which I'm gonna show you how that works. So that's everything that comes in your little craft box. And it is quite a treat. Like, you can make so many different projects with this, and we're gonna be coming to you in the next few weeks with all different kinds of ideas from the designers about cards, home decor, gift tags. There's really a lot that you can make with these, but I've got a few sample projects for you today so you can get an idea. Let me move the paper out of the way so you get a good idea. Okay, so first one I wanted to show you was this Christmas tree shaker card. So I took the actual retro tree, I die cut everything out with the adhesive sheets, and I mixed in some of the Opulent cardstock with the cardstock, the normal cardstock that comes in it, so you can see how you can mix and match all of those elements together. But I wanted to show you how I actually put the retro tree together. So I've just got a simple cardstock pattern right here, and I cut out the retro tree, the inner part of it. So you'll notice on this one that there's essentially 2 cut lines right here. So you're gonna get this inner Christmas tree right here, and then you're also gonna get this border shape that cut out at the same time. So I'm gonna take the fir tree right here, and I just took the adhesive sheet backing off. I'm gonna center it on my card. I'm doing this upside down, so bear with me. And then I'm gonna take some of my sequins and put them into the center of my little tree. I'm gonna take some of these nice ones right here and some of the beads as well, because you don't want to miss out on the red. Okay, so normally I'd put in a little bit more, but I think you get the idea of how it works. So these actual tree domes are sized to fit around that shape, and they've already got adhesive backing on them, which is perfect for ease of use for putting them down. So what you want to do is try your best to line it up around the outside of that die shape. And another thing I recommend when you're doing the tree domes is taking a stylus tool or even the end of your die pick and just rubbing that in so that you really get a nice firm adhesion between the paper and the glue that's on the dome. And then that way they don't go flying around. So then what you do with your border tree is this also has the adhesive on the back, and I'm gonna peel that away. And then you just match it around the outside of the dome. And because it's a little sticker, it just goes right into place. Simple and easy, lots of fun, lots of possibilities. You could also just lay down the actual, I didn't put the adhesive sheet on the back of this one, but you could actually just lay this down as well, the border tree, and then take all of the different ornaments that are in that set and decorate the tree itself. Lots of room for possibility with that. I'm gonna pull in another project real quick. So this is one I created. I love rainbow order. It's like my favorite thing in life. They all make fun of me here at the office because everything has to go in rainbow order. I don't know about the rest of you. I'm sure there's other ones out there with me, but I wanted to do a fun little rainbow order of the trees. So I think one of my favorite things to do with these die sets is when you see an element doing repeat patterns. It adds a really nice kind of look to something, but the best way I think to take it up a notch is to just then include it in a bunch of different colors. So I laid across the tree from the Festive Set, and I mixed in with the Opulent cardstock and the regular cardstock, and I laid them in a row, and then I just cut a snowbank freehand to go across the back of the black cardstock. Added a couple of star dies, and then went in with those snowflakes that you get in the not the die set, but the sequin pots. I added those on with some liquid adhesive. And you just pop it up on some foam tape and put it on its merry way to your favorite people you want to send some holiday cheer to. I also did this one. I like doing monochromatic cards as well, so I noticed there was a lot of green tones in this particular release. So I decided, you know what, I'm just going to cut a bunch of different colors and a bunch of different elements and lay them out on a piece of white cardstock so they really pop, and then just go from there. So I did that same thing. I mixed the two die sets, added all the fun little elements from those two die sets, and then put them on a card, and I popped a little foam tape behind. Use the adhesive sheets again because that just makes it super easy when you're working with all those little pieces. Another one I did was this bright color one. So I thought really cool, tall, lengthy card would be nice to showcase different ornaments hanging down. So again, this is another one where I mixed the two die sets. So I've got the bauble and ornaments right here, and the sentiment from one die set, and then this is from all these retro ones are from the retro tree die set. So you can see those little retro little layering elements right here. I'm going to pull in the dies. So you get the die shapes on this die cut or die set piece, and then all of these pieces you cut out and you layer them on to give it that retro feel. I think that I know I've seen a sneak peek on some of these projects coming out from the other designers, and you will not believe what Debbie Farinella is going to do with this particular die. It's really cool, so stay tuned for that video. And then the last one is this little funky spunky number. Again, I love taking one element and repeating it, and it just adds a really nice feature to any of the cards that you're doing. So I did the gifts from the Festive Set, and then again I cut them out of the Opulent cards and the regular cardstock. I popped a few up with some foam tape and just created, because I was really inspired by the festive, I guess the retro feel, and so to me I wanted to do something really bright because I feel like that goes along with that retro style back when we had some retro stuff. Though that's up to, I guess that's up to opinion whether what's retro and not these days. But I'm really excited for you all to get the craft box. I had so much fun making all these projects, and I'm really excited for everyone to get an opportunity at home to test them out yourselves. So again, they will be on Sizzix.com, sizzix.co.uk, and stay tuned for more lovely live videos coming from the rest of the designers on different ways that you can use this craft box for some inspiration. I hope you are all doing well, and we will see you soon.